Want to quickly clean up your images and remove pesky watermarks? Pikto AI Watermark Remover makes it super easy. No manual editing, just upload your image and in seconds the tool detects and removes watermarks automatically. Let me show you how. To start, click on the image tab under the template format and select Text Remover. From there, you can drag and drop the image that you want to modify or select a file from your device. You will then be redirected to the editor. From here, you can select the output size or ratio of your image. You can keep the original aspect ratio or select square, landscape, or portrait. Once you're all set, click on Remove Text. In just a few seconds, Pikto AI will clean up the image for you. And that's it. With the AI Text Remover, you can quickly polish your visuals and get them ready for presentations, reports, or social media.